Hey guys, so this is going to be a really quick video on how to make one of those GIFs in Photoshop. So what we're going to want to do is scripts from the file menu, and you're wanting to load files into stack, and you're going to select all of these files and it's going to start loading those into a stack for you. An important thing to note is down here, you want to make sure that this timeline is here. All right, so once all of your images are loaded in, it should look something like this. So you're going to have all of your images over here. Okay, everything looks good. So we're going to click, you want to make sure that your create frame animation is selected instead of the video timeline. And you hit create frame animation. Make frames from layer. So that's going to add all of your frames in, and so you have 29 there. Select all of these. Let's go and reverse these frames because they are backwards. Let's do a half a second and see if we can get anywhere with that. So that looks nice, but I think I want it to go a little. This is how you make a GIF in Photoshop. Super easy to do, like very easy to do. If you wanted to export this, you can come in here and you can render it as a video if you would like. You can also render it as GIF, which you can save for Web Legacy to do that. Just make sure that your GIF up here is selected, and then you just come over here and you save it. All right, so we go into File, Export, and then I'm going to render video. Pull this over here. And so now we can just kind of go in here and see what we want to set it as. So for this particular one, I'm going to change this because I do want to post this on to my social media. So I'm going to change it from 1920 to 1080 to 1080 to 1920 because that is how you upload for your real format and if you use TikTok. If this helped you guys in any way, go ahead and leave a comment or a like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!